Hello everybody, welcome back. This is either going to be a very short video or a long struggle bus. We'll see what's happening. But let's do our first startup of the tractor after the winter. Now sometimes if the tractor is sitting for a while, the battery dies. In which case I brought this jump pack. That's some, I don't know, knockoff thing I got for free using my credit card points. Hopefully it works. Worst case scenario, we gotta lug this guy uphill to the car. So, not looking hopeful here. Brakes on, parking brakes on, choke is on. It's trying. It's trying. Okay. So in this Cub Cadet model, battery is located under the seat. As you can see, exposed terminals. And with this jump pack, black is your negative, red is your positive. Let's hook that up, and that should be connected to the battery and should be charging it. Let's see if it has any life. Ooh, it really wants to. Please, please. It has this battery indicator. I don't know if that's just to say batteries here is good. Okay. This jump pack is garbage. I was expecting this. All right. Get that crap out of there. So, plan B. The sucky part. We're gonna have to push this guy uphill to the driveway. So let's disengage. Parking brake. Now, these Cub Cadets. There's this little toggle over here. Pull it out. You're able to move it around freely. Doesn't interfere. So now let's get this guy out of the shed. Oh, it seems easy now, but trust me, this gets harder. Had to do this before. My old tractor after the winter. And let's let the struggle begin. See, it's not too bad over here. It's just fairly level. So where we get higher up, the slope increases. All right, let's just do it. Let's get some momentum going. Seems to be the easiest slope we got. But, we can just get it over this bump. We should be able to. All right. That was actually slightly easier than anticipated. I took a better line. Usually I go sideways more. And this is a little steeper over here. The line we took was pretty good. And we built up some momentum by running. So let's get this sucker into the driveway. And we're gonna have to jump start it. Let the battery build up some charge. Oh, there we go. Much easier now that we're on pavement. Just pushing my tractor, don't mind me. All right, that wasn't too bad. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to jump start one of these things. Thanks again, take care.